Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Obino. In this short video, we are going to learn how to reverse code in SPSS. There are many reasons why we want to reverse code, but the most common reason is to regenerate. When you try to regenerate a scale or subscale from a series of linked items, and sometimes those linked items are ordinal items of ordinal variables. For instance, you have a variable like education. Yeah. So we have already assigned values for education. We assigned 1 to be primary, 2 to be college, and 3 to be tertiary. So now, in the process of doing our analysis, we'll decide that it's best we reverse this. We start from ascending to descending. Then we want to change it back from descending to ascending. So now we want to change. We want 1 to replace tertiary and 3 to replace primary. So how do we do this? We have to reverse code them instead of trying to re-edit this here, which might cause confusion. So now how do we do this? We already have our data here displayed. So we want to reverse code education alone. We can do that for gender also. Any categorical variables, we can do that. But we want to reverse code education. So click on transform, recode into different variables. We are using recode into different variables because when we will do this action, it will create a new variable instead of replacing the same variable that when we use the recode into same variable. But we are using the recode into different variables because we want any other person, analyst, that sees our data to know that, oh, we did something like this. So we recode into different variables. So now this dialog box pops out. You click on education and click on the arrow, this arrow, to go in. So next we give our new variable, which is the output variable, a name. So now I want to name it education underscore recoded, in short, RECD. So now I want to label it. You can label it and you can still leave it as well. It's no problem. I want to label it recoded education. Then we click change, and you can see the numeric variable and output variable. Alright, so next we click on old and new variable. So now you can see from the left old values, and on your right you see the new value. So from the old value, which is on the left, we input the old value that we want to change. So now I want to change 1 to 3. 1, which stands for primary. So we now want 1 to be tertiary. So we press 1, then on the new value we press 3 because we want to change 1 to 3. Yes, so now we click on add. So now 2 remains as it is because it's in the center. So 2, the new value remains 2, we add. So now we want to change 3, the old value 3, which stood for tertiary. We want to change it now to 1 because we want 1 to become tertiary. So now we put the old value, which is 3, and the new value, we press 1, then we add. As you can see displayed here now, old value 1, new value 3, old value 2, new value 2. old value 3, new value 1. So now click continue, and that's it. We click OK. So our results pops out. As you can see now, 2 still remains for college, 3 now stands for primary, 1 now stands for tertiary. So we have tertiary, college, then primary. So that's it. That's how you reverse code in SPSS. To get more of these explanatory videos, click the subscribe button and the bell, share and comment and like. Thank you.